So the Carcassonne flight is operated by one of their newer Boeing 737 MAX 8-200. This is the aircraft that arrived from Béziers in France, just come back to France again. I just mentioned that in the winter, the Saturday flight to Corsican from Manchester was unique for a very special reason. Carcassonne is not a very busy airport, and on a Saturday,
What's Mummy and Daddy?
Carcassonne Airport only had, in the entire day, one flight arrival and one flight departure, and it was the Manchester flight. And just to clarify, that wasn't one Ryanair flight, that was one flight in and out by an airline. So the airport effectively opened on a Saturday during the winter, just to accept
Try and see if you
Manchester
can send me a
passengers
text
only.
or something, and I can pick you up. I could take you over there if it's going to be a nice day and you've got the day.